Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Gorilla Tag on your phone. So this does not require a computer. You don't have to jailbreak your phone or anything like that. I found out the real way to get Gorilla Tag mobile. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. This is super cool, and it totally works, guys. So let's get straight into it, and I'm going to show you a new way that has just been discovered on how to get the Gorilla Tag game for mobile. Alright guys, so I'm on my phone right now, and I don't know if this is a good idea because I'm on an older phone, but anyway, let's try to get Gorilla Tag. So what you want to do is get on your browser, and we're going to go over to this website. So this is the website right here. So once you're on this site, it's going to say like Gorilla Tag mobile or something. So we'll just let it download, and there it is, Gorilla Tag mobile, right? So we're gonna press on this and just wait for it to download pretty much. So just let it do its thing here, as you can see. Alright guys, so afterwards Gorilla Tag mobile will be on your phone. So if you go to the App Store and type in Gorilla Tag, you'll see that it's too expensive. Now I had to delete it because I didn't have enough storage, but I just want to show you guys right here. As you can see, when we type in Gorilla Tag, you can see this is what we got: Monkey Tag, all these like fake games. These are not Gorilla Tag, guys. So if you want to get the real game, literally guys, all you need to do is go ahead and go to this website right here, and then just type in Gorilla Tag. I mean, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I mean, I'll see you later, but yeah, subscribe, because I mean, if you're poor or something, you can't afford a computer, I don't really care. You can still get the Gorilla Tag mobile mod. So peace out, guys. This is super cool, totally works. So yeah, Sphere works, you guys. Definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super cool, and it's so fun to play Gorilla Tag with my friends on my phone. I never even thought it was possible, to be honest, but hey, new things are happening every day, right? So it's real. You can actually play Gorilla Tag mobile.